autonomous, and unless the right of the Pakistani state is fully restored by the closure of all links with radicals and their eradication. The Pakistani state transformation into a growing modern economy integrated fully into the global network of trade and commerce will remain as aspiration, at best making state failure at a more likely result. Finally, to a greater extent, the religious extremist groups have been able to mold the public opinion in their favor after describing their campaign as timely effort to save Islam and Muslims. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you. I now give the floor to the distinguished representative of World Environment and Resources Council.
Mr. President, I want to inform UN Human Rights Council about the gross human rights violations committed by state and security establishment of Pakistan against Sindhi people. The enforced disappearances and extrajudicial killings of Sindhi political activists continued in 2015 as well. One of the most renowned political leader, Rajadar Bambro, was abducted by security personnel in front of hundreds of witnesses. His bullet-riddled body was identified after a month. He was killed and buried anonymously. The most recent disappearances include Suhail Raza Bhatti, Governor Kolachi, Sadar Kolachi, Alawada Umar. We are seriously worried about their well-being and security. As a direct outcome of the state support to the spread violent religious extremism in Sindh, the violence against religious minorities has vastly increased. The indigenous Sindhi Hindus are the particular victim of this violence. In recent months, scores of young girls, including Lakshmi, Koli, Radhika Megwad, Sapna, Rajkumari, Anita Megwad, were forcibly kidnapped, converted, and then married forcibly. Sindhi people are subjected to gross violation of their economic, social, cultural, political, lingual, and educational development rights. Sindh, that officially produces about 70% of wealth of Pakistan, also officially has 7 million children under the age of 10 who have not seen school. 60% of population suffer from malnutrition. 50% of Sindhis live under absolute poverty line. May I request Human Rights Council to press upon Pakistani state to stop atrocities against Sindhi people, release all disappeared Sindhi political activists, investigate the cases of extrajudicial killings, enforce disappearances, and violence against indigenous Sindhi Hindus. Thank you.
Thank you. I now give the floor to the distinguished representative